it's Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Fab Fit Fun unboxing. Alright friends, if you want a coupon code, I have a discount. I will put the link down below. I've shared before, it took me a while to get on the bandwagon for Fab Fit Fun. It's always nice to get mail, and it's always nice to get mail if you're a mom. I feel like we don't always get a lot of stuff for us, but we always get for the kids. So I'm gonna share with you what's in my box. The reason why I love Fab Fit Fun is that it's once a quarter, and the quality of these products are really, really high end. And it's usually $300 worth of products, and I think the box is $49, but I have a coupon code, so it's cheaper than that. And I find that I really love a lot of the items. Now, if you find that any of the items are stuff that you're not loving, you can always change your profile to things that you do love. So if you'd rather not have skincare or makeup, but you'd rather have more clothing items, I think you can tailor it to what you love. So let's open up the winter box. Okay, first things first, packaging is always amazing. So I start and I've got their little magazine, and it always shows all the products and what to do with it. It's always a fun read. There's some coupon codes, HelloFresh codes. We've done HelloFresh before, meal delivery service. And then we have the tissue with the sticker. Share to win, hashtag FabFitFun. And then you can also go online and you can pre-pick some of the items, or you can leave it as a surprise. I like to pre-pick some of my items, so here we go. There's my box. Okay, I'm gonna start off with the Bluetooth speaker. I know I picked that out. Super excited. It looks flowery, and it goes in your shower. So it's a waterproof Bluetooth speaker. Oh, and it's got a suction on it. How cute is that? And then you could pick your songs and change it. All right, the next thing I see are Battington lashes. Pretty. If all else fails, bat your lashes. Cool. They're synthetic because, you know, I'm a vegetarian, so I don't want to be wearing someone else's hair. Those will be fun to try, more dramatic for like an evening out. I don't know what everything is. We're just going to dive in. Okay, a coffee scrub, an exfoliator for smooth glowing skin, and it's vegan friendly. I love that. Massager scrub, and then the bag is waterproof, so you can bring this in the shower, and it says use 2 to 3 weeks before for best results. So let me open it up and smell it. I love scrubs, and I just needed a new exfoliator for the shower, so this is perfect. Let's see. Ooh, it's coming up the top. I love coffee. Oh, it is coffee. Oh, it smells like coffee and orange. That's cool. I wonder if I can even show you. See, coffee grounds. Hey, I got a DIY now. Use our coffee grounds. Okay, I see Thirst Hands Hydrating Hand Mask. Ooh, this will be nice for Christmas time. Get our hands all nice and pretty. I've never done one of these. This will be fun. All right, what else we got? Makeup eraser. Erase all your makeup with just water. Antibacterial, reusable, and it lasts 3 to 5 years. You know, I don't even know if I picked these out this year. I don't remember any of these. Take off your makeup with just water. It just looks like a towel. Bye-bye makeup wipes forever. Thank you for joining our movement. Your purchase is helping eliminate the third most wasteful product in the world, wipes. What? How to use. Number 1, wash. 2, wet. 3, erase. 4, exfoliate. Wash 1 to 2 times per week. I am very curious. I am all about less waste. What? Have you guys heard of this? Yeah, I'm always trying to take off my makeup and I have to use different products, but this is cool. Just water? Very curious how this is gonna work. I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you posted. I should do like a follow-up Fab Fit Fun. Like, what did I use? What did I love? And the other thing that's cool with Fab Fit Fun is that you can repurchase any of these products from them. Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler from Drybar. Ooh, this is a great company. I wonder if I could open this without scissors. I wish there was a Drybar near me, but there isn't. So I have very fine hair, but it's very, very thick. So it gets super tangled. So I always have to use a detangler after I shower, like always. And I've made my own, and I've done it on my channel here before too, where you can do conditioner and some different essential oils, but I'm always on the lookout for different ones to try different ones. So let's smell this and see what we think. It smells good. It smells really good. What does it say? It says it's formulated with biotin, vitamin B and C, and UV blockers, lightweight detangler, and it protects your hair from heat up to 450 degrees. All right, we got a couple more. Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. Ooh, Beauty Bakery. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Ooh, it's so pretty. Okay, it's got shimmers and it has mattes, which is perfect because that's how I roll. And it's got the light one for up here, shimmers for your lid, and then ones for the crease. This is gorgeous and I am looking forward to it. This is right up my alley. I'm gonna be right in here and there and there. These ones. And that one. Yeah, I just won't be using the dark ones. Maybe I need someone to show me how to use those. But I'm not a big dark eyeshadow girl, but I like those neutrals. That's gonna be really pretty. Okay, I see a couple more things. Guys, this is definitely worth its value. Fun to try new products. Okay, and then I've got R&Co Perfect Hair Shampoo and Perfect Hair Conditioner. So we'll try out some new stuff. And it's paraben, sulfate-free, petroleum-free, mineral oil-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, and UV protection. Checks all those boxes for me, for sure. And I know you guys are concerned about that too because we're looking for green moments in every day, right guys? Let's see. It smells really fresh. I'm always on the lookout for new shampoos and conditioners. My hair just gets tired of the same ones every so often, and it's nice to switch it up. All right, guys, that's what's in my Fab Fit Fun box. If you need a coupon code, check it down below. It's super fun to get something just for you. I encourage you to do it because it's fun. All right, I will see you in the next one. Thanks.